morning. Today again we are doing exercise 8.3 class 10. Okay, trigonometry. Question number 181. If sec 5 theta equal to cosec theta minus 60 degree, where theta is an acute angle, then find the value of theta. So how to find the value of theta? We did before also this type of problem. So let me show you. Okay, sec 5 theta equal to sec 5 theta equal to cosec theta minus 36 degree. We did this type of problem before also, and I told before also that if different trigonometrical ratios are given, so you have to convert into same trigonometrical ratio first. Either you convert sec in terms of cosec or cosec in terms of sec. To convert or to transfer, we have to apply always complementary formula. Complementary means 90 minus something. So sec 5 theta will convert this one in terms of cosec. So we can write like this: cosec 90 degree minus theta. Here theta means 5 theta. Okay, equal to cosec theta minus 60 degree, 36 degree. Cosec just imagine from both the side it will cancel. 90 degree minus 5 theta will remain equal to theta minus 36 degree. We have to find the value of theta. That's why theta you bring left side, constant you transfer to the right. Minus 5 theta, this theta is positive. If you bring the left side, it will become negative. Minus 36 degree, this 90 is positive in the left hand side. If you transfer to the right, it will become positive. Negative. Positive, if you transfer to the right, it will become negative 90 degree. Okay, if both are negative, to add 5 plus 1 6 theta, both are negative sign to give. Here also both are negative, we have to add 6 plus 0 6, 9 plus 3 0 12, both are negative sign, so 126 degree. Cancel from both the side, minus theta equal to 126 degree by 6. Cancel, 6 to the 12, 6 1 the 6. So value of theta is 21 degree. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 82. Okay, sin A equal to cos 33 degree, where A is less than 90 degree. Find the value of A. Value of A must be less than 90 degree given. Okay, so solution: how to solve or how to find the value of A. Sin A equal to cos 33 degree. Same as before, if different trigonometrical ratios are there, so you have to convert into same trigonometrical ratios. Either you convert cos in terms of sine or sine in terms of cos. So let me convert sine in terms of cos. Whenever you convert or transfer, you have to apply complementary formula. So we can write like this: cos 90 degree minus theta. Here theta means A. If you apply formula, again you will get the same thing. Cos 33 degree. Cos will cancel from both the sides. 90 degree minus A equal to 33 degree. Transfer this 90 to the right side. Minus A equal to 33 degree. This 90 is positive in the left hand side. If you transfer to the right, it will become minus 90. Minus A equal to, take on 10 minus 3 is 7, here remain 8 minus 3 is 5, 57 degree. This is greater, 90 is greater, so negative sign. Minus cancel from both the sides. A equal to 57 degree. This is the value of A. Okay, solution. Question number 3, 8.3. If sin twice A equal to cos A plus 15 degree, where twice A is less than 90 degree, find the value of A. Same as before, same as question number 2. same. Okay, how to do, let me show you. Sin twice a equal to cos a plus 15 degree. Same as before, first you to convert different trigonometrical ratios in terms of same trigonometrical ratios. Either you convert cos in terms of sine or sine in terms of cos. Whenever you transfer or convert, you have to apply complementary formula. Complementary means 90 minus theta something. So we'll convert this one in terms of cos. So how will that? Cos 90 degree minus theta, here theta means twice a, this one, equal to cos a plus 15 degree. Cos from both the sides will cancel, so 90 degree minus twice a equal to a plus 15 degree will remain. Same as before, we have to find the value of a, so a you bring left side, constant you transfer to the right side. Minus twice a, this is plus, if you bring the left side it will become minus a. 15 degree, 90 is positive in the left hand side, if you transfer to the right it will become minus 15 degree, actually 90 degree. Edit, both are negative, we edit. 2 plus 1 thrice a, both are negative, negative will remain. 90 minus 15, take on 10, 10 minus 5 is your 5, here remain 8, 8 minus 1 is your 7, 90 is greater, so negative sign, so 75 degree. Okay, minus minus from both the sides we can cancel. A equal to 75 degree by 3, 3 2 is 6, 1 remain, 3 5 is 15. All right, so a equal to what you got? 25 degree, 25 degree. Okay, so today's last question, 8.4. If sin thrice x plus 10 equal to cos x plus 24, then find the value of x. Okay, so how to find the value of x? You see, solution. This is the last question. Same as before, sin thrice x plus 10 given equal to cos x plus 24 given. Same as before, either you convert sine in terms of cos or cos in terms of sine. Okay, let me transfer sine in terms of cos. So to transfer or convert, you have to apply complementary formula. So how will that? Cos, okay, 90 degree minus theta, here theta means thrice x plus 10, this is the theta, 90 minus theta equal to this same, it will remain as it is, cos x plus 24. Okay, imagine cos will cancel from both the sides, so 90 will remain, 90 degree minus plus into minus thrice x minus into plus minus 10 equal to x plus 24. Understood now? Cos cancel from both the sides. Okay, this cos minus into plus minus 3x minus into plus minus 10. Okay, then minus 3x, 90 minus 10 is your 80, 90 is greater, so positive. Okay, equal to x plus 24 minus thrice x, bring this x on the left hand side, if you positive, if you bring the left hand side it will become negative 24, 80 is plus in the left hand side, if you transfer to the right it will become minus. Okay, if both are negative we have to add minus 3x minus 1x minus 4x equal to 80 minus 24, take 1 10, 10 minus 4 is your 6, here remains 7, 7 minus 2 is your 5, 80 is greater, so negative sign. Okay, minus minus from both the sides will cancel, implies x equal to 56 by 4, by 4 you divide, 4 1 the 4, 1 remains, 16, 4 4 the 16, so implies x equal to 14. This is the answer. Okay, and this is the last question.